Hi, I'm Dustin here at AA Calisters on behalf of Expert Village. And today I'm going to talk about little fashion tips for you. So if you do end up going cowboy, you don't want to look, well, ridiculous. So first number one tip, we want to keep your hat, your belt, and your boots to match. Or we want to have contrasting colors. You'll notice mine is a gray, but it also has brown on it, which matches the belt and the boots. We don't want to go with something like black with brown. Now that's, some people go, well, what's the big deal with that? It's just basically a social faux pas. If you get something black like this, you want to have a black hat. Or you want to, with your belt, you might want to have blue highlights on it. Something that just goes with the boots. We also want to make sure your belt matches your boots as close as possible color-wise. If you get something that's a little off, it's okay, but we don't want to be going yellow with black. It's going to look, well, you look like a bumblebee. Ladies the same way. Ladies are a little better than this. I see a lot of guys come in here and they just don't get the concept. But make sure that your colors match as much as possible.